Hi, my name is MD Abdul Qadir. I am front-end developer. Today I show you my latest UI template for digital agency. This project is open source to everyone. You can download the source code from GitHub. Now let's go to the intro. Positive made with Turborepo project. It contains two projects in app, front-end and backend. The front-end part uses Next.js and Strapi makes the backend. Now quick look the project demo. Positivus is a fully responsive landing page for digital agency. It has dark mode feature, multilingual support, and very nice animation for each component. Let's go to the Strapi admin panel. You can easily change the content by editing the fields. App contains two API endpoints, homepage and layout. Layout contains header and footer data. Homepage contains the page body data. You can change the section position by drag and drop here. Here's the changes. We set the service section to top. It's very customizable any components, isn't it? You can also change multilingual data from here.